Ew, those are inside of my mouth, Mom. Ew, ye patootie. This means I get like $40 from my tooth fairy yet? Why not? Why? That's like wisdom. I should get more money. I put under my pillow.
How much do you think you should get?
$5 million.
How many of me do you see?
One. I don't need an eye patch anymore. When that dude was sitting in his chair, I asked him a question, and he started laughing at me.
What did you ask him?
I think I said something like, what's up? I don't know. I said something. I don't remember, but I said something and he started laughing at me. Ooh, I think I lost some weight. Why do I have a mirror? I blow my teeth, get it off, get it off. I don't like blood, I don't like blood. I don't like blood, I don't like blood. I don't like blood, I don't like it. I have my hair in there, my hair's in there, and it looks like a piece of food. I think I need to go get my hair did.
You called her or no? No, okay.
Blah, 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 blah. What's the heart rate? Can you see on the machine? What is it? What's my heart rate? A BP, Mama?
I'll go check.
Thanks.